name is Shrishti and I will be performing the song Golden from K-pop Demon Hunters. Let's begin. I was a ghost, I was alone, ha. The throne, I didn't know, ha. To believe I was a queen that I'm meant to be. I lived 2 lives, tried to both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Called a problem child, 'cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. For the 3-year stage, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming hard, we came so far, now I believe we're going up, up. It's our moment, you know, together we're growing. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, with our voices. Na, na, na. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, our time. No fears, no lies. That's